Now you're going to use the same bolts that you just took off. Hold-in thing to put it back on with. The holes are pre-drilled and lined up in the exact same manner. Tighten up the top one really secure, and then level up this bottom piece before you start to tighten up the rest. We're going to eyeball this to make sure it's approximately level with the parallel to the bottom rib, which will make it right with the bus. Use a number 12 1-inch self-drilling screws. There's 13 of these, which is a little bit of an overkill, but that way nobody has to worry about it ever falling off a bus. At this point you can take off the temporary brace that just held it in shipping. Now I'm going to tighten up this lower bolt, and then we're going to insert a new one up there where they never had one. Sometimes you'll find that they've double plated them, as in this case, in which case you'll have to drill it first and then put in the screw. With the drill you just get through that extra heavy piece of metal. When you're using a self-drilling and a impact wrench, you can tell if the thing is holding solid because it'll go at the end. If it starts to just go around like this, then the thing is stripped and you'll have to put in a bigger size. And with practice, you'll realize how far you need to put it in. Sometimes there's insulation inside the bus at the panel, and it'll back off a self-drilling screw, in which case you have to stop and take it out and put in a regular screw. A regular screw that's not self-tapping. Some of the positions require an extension on the driver bit. Out that spot, then you just back it out. And you go to the next size larger, which is a number 14. And then you heard it ratchet at the end, you know it's tight. At that point you test this, make sure it's reasonably smooth. Sometimes it'll be a little tight because of everything that's done, but wiggle it a little bit and all of a sudden you'll find that it's pretty easy to turn as the bearings seat.